Nature Quest Adventures is an exhilarating game designed to captivate young minds by blending fun and learning about the environment. With stunning graphics and interactive levels, children embark on thrilling quests in various ecosystems, from rainforests to deserts. As they quest through these diverse landscapes, players encounter various challenges and puzzles that promote environmental awareness. The game incorporates fascinating facts and tips, encouraging players to make eco-friendly choices and understand the importance of conservation. The integration of real-world environmental challenges and solutions makes this not only a game kids love, but an educational tool that leaves a lasting impression on their ecological footprint.